Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to this Rocketreach tutorial. Rocketreach is a platform that will make prospecting and validating email address so much easier, as it is a platform that all you'll need to do is type in the professional's name, or you can even paste in their LinkedIn page, and from there you'll be able to get a valid contact information that you can reach them on. Now, to get started, you're going to need to go onto rocketreach.co. Once on rocketreach.co, you're going to tap on Try It for Free. After tapping on Try It for Free, you'll be redirected to this page right here. And earlier, I was using this platform and I typed in Tim Cook, but you can see the results right here that I was able to find is contact information. Let me sign up real quick, so I'm going to simply tap right here. Now, once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and this is the Rocketreach AI. And you can see some suggested prompts that you can use right here, depending on what is your goal. For example, you can see general suggestions. I am looking for, and you would put the job title, working in, and you could put their location right there. So you can search for persons based on their job title and location. You can also search for persons depending on their role, as you can see right here. Another thing that you can also do is you can go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you could tap on name and you could type in the individual's name. So let's say, for example, we were to type in Mark Cuban, just for example's sake. So you can do that right there. Then you can simply tap on it. After you have done that, you're going to give it a few seconds, and then from there you can see the contact information right here. Now, once you have gotten this, all you'll need to do is tap on Get Contact Information, and from there you'll be able to get the contact information. Another thing that you can also do is you could search by occupation. You can also search by company if you wanted to, by using the same filter over on the left hand menu option. You could tap on companies right here from the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on companies, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all you would need to do is enter the company name. So let's say, for example, we were to type in Facebook. After typing in Facebook, you could tap on enter. Then after doing that, you can scroll down and you can see the different contact informations right here for the different departments, as you can see here. So for example, you can scroll down and you can see Facebook marketing goal. You could tap on search employees. After tapping on search employees, you'll be redirected to a new page. And again, you can zone down even further by going over to the left hand menu option. You can tap on role and department, and from there you could type in the job title for the particular person that you're trying to get information for. And you can see right here that it shows the job title and the name of persons in different position in Facebook, as you can see right here by scrolling down, as you can see right there. And that's basically how to use Rocketreach. You can also get their social link by tapping on social link right here. You could, for example, paste in their LinkedIn URL, or you can paste in their Twitter handle or their X handle, better yet. You can also search by industry by tapping on industry. You can search by revenue, as you can see right here. So Rocketreach is the perfect tool for prospecting, as you'll be able to validate email addresses. You'll also be able to gather email addresses that some of the time would be a tedious task without a tool like this. And in the future, you can go over to the left hand menu option, and then from there you can do bulk lookups if you want. So you could tap on bulk lookups, and then from there you'll be redirected to this page. So after going on to this page, you could tap on go to upload list, or you could tap on go to search. If you have a list of CSVs that you have saved already, you can upload it right there to do your search. Another thing that you can also do by going over to the left hand menu option, you could add on their browser extension. And by adding on their browser extension, this will make it easy for you to get contact information for basically anyone once you go onto their website. So you could add the browser extension for Rocketreach if you want. They also have numerous integrations that you can try out. So you could tap on integrations right there. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And you can use Zapier integration, or you can integrate it with Salesforce, Outreach, or HubSpot, as you can see right here. So just like what I was saying, there are numerous integrations that you can get access to. And if it sounds good to you, you can check out their pricing plan, and you could go onto one of their paid plan. So let's check it out and see how much for their paid plan. You can see right here that it starts off for $39 per month and it goes up to $249 per month. For the $39 per month plan, you'll get unlimited personal and professional emails and you'll be able to export 1,200. And for the $99 per month plan, you'll get 3,600 exports and it goes up to 10,000 exports, as you can see right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.